So today I've made it all the way down to Osaka for this special kind of a little bit of a different video. So basically this grocery store behind me will cook whatever ingredients you buy from their shop. So I thought it'd be a fun experience to take you guys along and we go around and we just buy a bunch of stuff and see what they can make for us. That said, without further ado, let's do this. Today I'm at Goody, a unique grocery store in Japan's Nakatsu, Osaka area, just 2 stations away from the Shin-Osaka train station. What makes this place special is that whatever food you buy here, and seriously I mean anything you buy, you can ask them to cook for you however you want, kind of like a personal chef that won't say no. They've never turned anyone down, even from the wildest customer requests, which got me thinking, maybe I can get a bit creative and do something fun here. And hey, I'm bringing all of you along for the experience. It's not like a huge supermarket, it's a smaller grocery store. But just look, we have all of these ingredients to make whatever we want. The thing is, just right here behind me is where the actual eating place starts. We're here just a little bit early. They open it at 7 o'clock. Right now they just have like a bunch of different sozai. Have a little assortment, but there are like some bentos and kind of like main dishes here as well. You guys ready for this? Let's do this. Okay, right, so maybe we should start with, I'm feeling actually kind of like maybe some ramen, so let's do something along those lines. So here we have ramen. These ones are a little bit fresher than instant ramen. So this is like salt flavor. This is shoyu flavor. We're gonna go with this one. This is miso flavor. You got the juice aisle here, you got the alcohol, tofu. Here we go. Here is the lustrous meat section. Let's see, what do we want with this? Wow, look at this. This is like taken from the inside of a chicken. There's some wagyu in here. Personal packed wagyu. Maybe we should go with this. Got some wagyu in there, some ground meat. Maybe we can make some ground meat something for one of the other dishes because we're already here in the meat section. What happens if we do this? Thai masaman curry in our ramen. We can do whatever we want, right? So let's do that. Do we want some corn? This is cream corn. Oh, the corn. Should we do it? Yeah. Okay, let's throw some corn in there. Let's get some negi in here for the ramen. Scallion, I think. Throw some garlic in there. Nori. I think that's good for the ramen. Ooh, one more thing. If you guys were here, what would you make? Like, there's so many things here. Like, let me know in the comments what you would have them make. Would it be like something super crazy, or would it just be like your favorite Japanese dish, or maybe like a Western dish? Let me know in the comments below. Hotate is looking quite good, so let's do some hotate action. So this is sunagimo chicken gizzard, I think, or like a hardish texture. Maybe we just like make a regular itame with this. So I think I'm gonna get some mushrooms, eringi. I actually want to eat some strawberries tonight, so let's maybe figure this out in a meal. Strawberries. Here's a little onion action. Right, so let's get some dessert. Tim Tams. Maybe we can do something with this. Maybe got some mangoes. Take some potato chips. Maybe these would be more interesting. Maybe I use these chips. Okay, got that. So the beautiful thing about this is like I can just grab anything like this and they're gonna make a dish. I'm gonna throw this in there too. Should I do the camembert? Camembert. How do you pronounce that in English? Camembert is like in Japanese, right? So camembert. French people can tell me this. Or should I go with Tokyo cheese? This one is probably more economical, so let's go with this one. We were kind of going maybe a little bit over budget. Also, you know what's like tempting me right now is if I should drink or not. They do have alcohol here and you can drink. Maybe I'll start with an alcohol-free and just see how the dinner goes.
調理法で作っていただきたいのかなっていうのを、はい、お伺いしたいですね。バター焼きで。
After choosing all of my ingredients, I let the chef know how I wanted it all cooked. Cool part is I didn't need to purchase the basic seasoning items like salt and pepper, as it's part of the service fee, which depending on the complexity of the dish varies, but it usually works out to be roughly 1.5 to 1.8 times the grocery fee.
初めてなんでちょっとすごい想像力豊かですね。
Alright, so I got my beer right now and she's gonna make it. Just sitting here, but she's in the kitchen, so let's see if we can go inside the kitchen. Hello, do you mind if I ask you some questions?
はい。
So, when did you start this service?
一昨年の10月から始めたんで、
はい
1年とほんのまだちょっとですね。
Oh, and how's it been going?
最近やっぱり賑わってきましたので、このシステムがちょっと一人で賄っていくのは結構大変で。
Great, it's getting popular, but yeah, must be tough all by yourself. So, what did you do before this?
もう普通にお昼にお惣菜を作って、あそこの売り場に並んでるものを、はい、全部作ってました。
Ah, I see. What was the toughest request you've had so far?
トリニダード・トバゴ料理のシチューチキンっていうのですね。
Oh, how'd you make it?
食べたことがなかったので、まずでレシピを探したんですけど、日本でそのレシピがなくてですね、海外の YouTuber さんが実際に作ってる動画を見て、はい、作りました。
Insane, you really can't cook anything. Apparently, if she doesn't know the recipe, she looks it up online or learns how to make it on the fly by watching YouTube videos. So, if you ask for something crazy, it will take her a little bit more time on top of the fact that she has to prepare everything from scratch. So, be ready to wait.
お待たせいたしました。失礼します。砂肝とエリンギと青ネギの炒め物です。
So starting off with a safe dish. Still steamy. We got the chicken gizzard, scallions or leeks, eringi, which is mushrooms. That is so good. A green onion is popping, crunchy texture. It has a slight savoriness. She's put some peppers in here, so it's quite peppery. This is amazing. And I like how she's actually maybe filleted the tsunagimo so that perfectly cooks and we got a lot more texture. And I got to pick out all of the ingredients. I didn't want to get too wild and crazy. I wanted to have something that is par for the course, that's just delicious, to show you guys that they can just make any dish that you want. Cheers to you guys. I actually see some girls over there. I think they're also dining out here. Kind of want to see what they're eating. Let's go see if we can bother them. Hi, can I bother you girls? So, have you done this before? Oh, how'd you find out about this place? Nice. Are you all from around here? Cool. Do you work together or something? Ah, dope. So, how's the food? Oh, what'd you get? Nice. Who decided the menu? Awesome. What a fun night out. Alright, so next up, look at this. We have a butter hotate scallops, fresh from the oven. Let's taste this. That's so flavorful. So I think she put a salt, butter, and some sake in here. It is so delicious. So much umami. Nice sweetness to it. See the center of that? It's just smoking beautifully. This butter is so good. Alright, so that is number 2. And this beer, I've never had it before. It says Veritas quality. Veritas. Veritas means truth in Latin, I think. Vitamin, minerals, amino acids derived from ingredients. No cholesterol, no fat, low calories. I don't even know where they make this. Low calorie, 11 calories. Oh, Deutsche, a German beer. Prost. Hey, so before we continue on, I want to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, Sakuroko, who want you to also experience Japan through the comfort of your own home through their snack boxes. Once it's been delivered to my home, I can't wait to open up this carefully curated box filled with traditional and seasonal snacks, all supporting local makers across Japan. Always unique to the month itself, this one's theme is savoring Osaka, diving into the area's deep heritage with flavors that reflect its storied past and vibrant cultural spirit. They've got all of these cool surprises like this Osaka Mochi Castella, Kinoko Warabi Mochi, Osaka Octopus Senbei, senbei, and I'm loving these strawberry cakes. It's just so fun to try everything. You also get this fukumushi sencha to pair with the snacks, and even this shichi fukujin daruma tenugui. So enjoy Osaka's sensational flavors and get $5 off your first order with my code Paolo. So get your own box today, or even gift a loved one and experience Japan from the comfort of your own home. Use my link and code in the description below. Yeah, I don't know about this one.
ねえ、ちょっと想像がつかないです。
So, what's your favorite food?
なんだろうジャンキーなもの。ハンバーガーとか。マクドナルドのフライドポテトが好きです。
Really? I imagine you cooking healthy food for yourself.
結構そうでもないです。めっちゃジャンキーです。
She says that she's never had any professional training at a restaurant or hasn't even attended a culinary school, but she learned the basics of cooking and gained experience by simply cooking the deli items at the shop every day. So this is pretty cool. She's like deciding on what to cook, how to season it. As she goes, she's like, okay, maybe I'll add some fish sauce because it's very like Asian. She's just kind of like going with her experience. But this is what, you know, all true chefs do.
ワクワクと不安がちょっと。お待たせしました。
The nori has already started to whittle away because it just died on us, but it's okay. It has that masaman smell. She said it is delicious, so let me try this. Oh, that's fire. You get the masaman flavor. It has kind of like a peanutty taste to it. You can barely taste any of the miso, but wow, this is cool. Try some of these noodles right here. Look at that. Okay, let's try this wagyu. That is so tender. Has a little bit of sweetness. Wow, this is delicious. This is incredible. Definitely has that Thai Asian taste to it. You got the nori, because it brings it back to Japan a little bit. I just love the wagyu in here. This is perfect. This is what I'm talking about. Homemade food right to this supermarket. Apparently though, it does get busy, so you do gotta reserve if you like really want to have these seats and you bring your friends. You probably just want to call in advance and let them know that you're coming. I just like love looking around too. This place has a very like unique feel. You have Goody jacket, lamps and chandeliers, like a CD album of like Nas and Wu-Tang Clan. You got this like malice written over there. This is pretty cool. Like this place definitely has its own vibe, and I'm digging it. For this dish, I wanted to do something fun and a little different, but I still wanted to make sure it was edible. So I mixed ground meat, cheese, and ebisen, which is a shrimp snack all in a spring roll. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, so here we go. Look at these crispy morsels. Crack it open. Oh, you can hear how crispy it is. Let's taste this. It's interesting. The meat is good. The flavoring, the seasoning is good. Quite cheesy. You can't really taste ebisen. Ebisen kind of just like fades away into the friedness. In fact, it kind of almost has like a weird, harder texture in there that you're like biting through. That's quite interesting. You almost want like a sauce with it, but it is good nonetheless. Now let's see if those girls want to try this, because I got a lot and I can't finish all this by myself. I added something. Oh yeah, I also added cheese. It's shrimp chips. Alright, so can't wait for the final showdown and see how everything is going in here.
まず大丈夫であろうマンゴーの天ぷらから。
Last but not least, the dessert. So I decided to go a bit wild here and ask the chef to make tempura, but using dried mangoes, real deal strawberries, and to make one of my dreams come true, chocolate Tim Tams.
揚げ上がり具合がわからない。
So this is the first time she is doing tempura strawberries. So she's doing a little test run. she doesn't blow up this entire place. I seriously love the concept of someone cooking whatever I feel like at that moment or can imagine. It's also the perfect solution for when you're tired after work but want a specific home-cooked meal that restaurants don't offer. Oh yeah, and this place also allows you to order takeout. Incredible.
お待たせしました。じゃあティムタムの天ぷらですね。
Okay, so these are the mangoes right here. They're actually pretty good. Oh, let me see it. Okay, this is the final. They actually are leaving, so let's just do this all together. Let's see. Okay, now the strawberries. Oh, it's really, really watery. Itadakimasu.
まあまあ
1から5までこう一番ベストは
3マンゴーの方がいいな。マンゴー4マンゴー4
Here we go.
なんかチョコバーみたいな。ティムタム
そう
一番美味しい。
じゃあ5 Oh, there we go. The strawberries just kind of like died in the kitchen. We tried it out. These things have just kind of melted, disintegrated away, and they're like one big juice bomb. So when you eat it, like you just gotta get strawberry essence. It's like almost like very sour. This is my favorite of all. The Tim Tams worked out. Tempura. Melted a little bit in the middle, but still has this crispiness, and then it has this outer layer of crispiness on top of that. So I'm gonna have another one. Taberu? Okay. Everyone around loves it. You've seen it here first. Tim Tam Tempura. Triple T's got you here. If you ever want to have Tim Tam Tempura, this is the place to be. So there you go. That was my complete grocery store, buy whatever you want and they'll make it experience. This was amazing. If you guys like this video, like always, help me out, hit that like button. Also, if you guys want to help support the channel, check out my hot sauce. I've said it in other videos, I'll say it again. I have a hot sauce vending machine now in Shibuya, so if you guys want to go here to Japan and get some hot sauce, you can get it there. Finally, if you guys want to see more videos like this or anything related to Japan, hit that subscribe button and the bell button. I'll catch you guys in the next one.